Hi, it's Chris with WTI. Security and monitoring is high on the list of homeowner priorities these days.
This little camera I have here is made by Lorex and is for indoor use only. I found it to be very reasonably priced. The camera records in 2K, which is twice the resolution of 1080p. The pictures are always crisp and clear, as you can see here. An added feature is that the camera has person detection, which differentiates between motion detection. This minimizes the amount of false alert notifications, as was used in this video. The camera records in complete darkness, using infrared vision shown here. I like that the camera is small and inconspicuous. You can put it just about anywhere. It has a magnetic base, so you can put it on the side or top of a fridge or on anywhere metallic. It can be inconspicuously placed on a shelf or side table anywhere in the house. A great feature is two-way talk. If you live in a multi-story house, you can speak to someone on the top floor from, say, in the basement, just using the Lorex Home app on your phone.
Another cool feature Lorex provides is cloud access and storage. This allows you to access the camera from your phone from anywhere that you have internet access. I'm very happy with how this camera performs, and I'm sure you will be too. And that's my point of view.